Hello everyone, how are you? Today I'll show you how to operate the Sharp top-load washing machine. This is the 9 kg Sharp top-load washing machine and this is the model number. So you have to know first how to work this 6 button. This is the power button, this is start and push button. This is the add and this is the preset and this water level. This is the program. So you have to first power on. Then here I have 4 program. If you want to watch a standard mode, you no need to select anything. Only press is here. If you want to something heavy wash, then you can select this heavy mode. It will take around 64 minutes and water level taking automatically high. You can't manually taking water level. See this button is not working. That's mean you can't manually. So if you press this button right now, it will progress. So the third number for the gentle mode. This gentle mode means like a normal wash, 56 minutes and water level taking automatically high. You can manually select the water level. I'm keeping extra low. If you press this button, it will work. And this is the last option, quick wash. So if you want to wash very quickly, around 15 minutes. Sorry, this is taking 19 minutes. 19 minutes. In 19 minutes, wash, rinses, spin together and water level taking automatically low mode. You can select manually. This is the express mode. 16 minutes extra low water level. So if you want to press this button, it will run. So here I have one option, that is spin mode. If you want to only dry something on some cloth, so you can press this program button here. Say now this spin light is on, so that's mean this is only spin mode. So this taking around 9 minutes. So you no need to operate any button here. Directly you have to press this start button. Now it's working. Just see this is going automatically 6 minutes. That means 6 minutes will spin. Now working. Here blinking spin light. That's mean it's working running now. So I have one request for everyone. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. I am the new in YouTube. Please support me. If you like my video, please support, like, share, and comment. If you want to ask something for me, please comment in inbox. Goodbye.